If you're a content creator, marketer, or small business owner looking to boost your video SEO and get your YouTube videos ranking higher on Google search results, VidPenguin2 is the tool for you. It simplifies the process of syndicating all YouTube-approved link variants quickly, saving you hours of manual work. With VidPenguin2, you can create video pings, RSS feeds, blog posts, and social syndication across platforms like Zapier, WordPress, and Integromat. A standout feature is the new image ping, which helps rank your YouTube thumbnail images on Google image search, driving even more traffic to your videos. VidPenguin2 integrates with popular services including Amazon S3, Masher sites, and offers automation through Zapier and Integromat. It comes with lifetime access for a one-time payment of $67, including all future updates and training materials. Whether you're new or experienced in video SEO, VidPenguin2 gives you powerful tools to improve your rankings effectively. Don't miss the purchase link in the description below to start boosting your video visibility today.